Say goodbye to soaking bags of almonds overnight and scrubbing your blender by hand. Today, you can get fresh, additive-free plant milk on your counter in a matter of minutes. Look at this pour. This thick, perfectly smooth oat milk splashing into the glass is the standard modern machines promise out of the box. But if you try to buy one right now, you are hit with a wall of identical-looking 10-in-1 appliances. Trying to choose an option based purely on which box lists the most automated presets is an impossible task. To find the right fit, we have to evaluate the top 5 machines of 2026 differently. We are categorizing them based on how they actually match your specific kitchen footprint, your household size, and your exact morning routine. Because dodging a bulky countertop dust collector comes down to prioritizing your lifestyle workflow over maximum blade counts or wattages. Let's start with the single professional or the couple living in an apartment. You need something you can use every single day without sacrificing your limited counter space. This is where the tier and the IAGREEA units step in. They max out at around 35 to 40 ounces of capacity. That gives you exactly enough liquid for 2 large morning coffees and a bowl of cereal, meaning you drink it fresh and zero out your waste. What makes these units work for this demographic is set and forget automation, specifically the 12-hour delay start. This flowchart compares the manual milk-making process against a delay start machine. Instead of spending 15 minutes soaking, blending, and straining before work, you load the raw oats and water at night. Your active morning prep time drops to 0 minutes. The cycle finishes right as your alarm goes off. These machines also run 800-watt built-in heating elements. That means they can boil water for tea or cook a hot bowl of soup, allowing you to completely remove your electric kettle or single-purpose soup maker from the kitchen. The limitation here is sheer volume. A family of 4 making smoothies and pouring large glasses of milk will drain a 40-ounce pitcher immediately, forcing you to run the blending and cleaning cycles multiple times a day. So you are trading bulk capacity for high-frequency, low-friction daily utility. Now let's look at a different scenario, the family of 4, or the meal prepper who goes through a high volume of plant milk. For this group, we look to the Flanano 50-ounce machine. Hitting that 50-ounce capacity gives you 5 to 6 full cups per run. That extra headroom is exactly what you need to escape the chore of brewing a new batch every single day. Processing that much liquid effectively requires serious hardware. Inside the pitcher, the Flanano runs 20 separate stainless steel blades arranged in a 3-dimensional cross pattern. This 3D diagram shows exactly why that blade count matters at volume. Notice how the 20-blade cross pattern creates dense, overlapping cut zones. A standard 4-blade setup leaves large gaps, where raw nuts and tough oats escape the blades. But this arrangement obliterates those particles entirely. That mechanism provides a massive workflow benefit. It completely eliminates the need for manual straining. You get a creamy, grit-free liquid straight from the pitcher, skipping the messiest part of making DIY milk entirely. To get that kind of power, you have to accept a few physical trade-offs. The machine has a much heavier base, demands a larger countertop footprint, and produces noticeable operating noise when it hits top speed. If you are making milk for a crowd, sacrificing counter space and a quiet kitchen is the mandatory cost for achieving hands-off, grit-free bulk batches. Our final user scenario is the health-conscious viewer who values nutrient preservation and fresh juice over pure morning automation. The previous machines all use high-speed, heated blending. The AMZCHEF 3-in-1 juicer takes the opposite approach, relying on a slow masticating process to extract liquid. Look at this slow-motion shot of the spiraling mechanical auger. It slowly crushes the fruit and extracts the liquid without applying heat or violent speed. It features a massive 6.5-inch feed chute. You can drop in whole apples and large citrus right on top of the built-in pre-cut blade, which directly reduces the time you spend chopping at the cutting board. It also features a 100-ounce holding hop rocker. This massive capacity reinforces its position as the ultimate high-volume machine on our list. But this workflow carries severe trade-offs. Because it is a cold-press juicer first, you lose the heating elements, the keep warm functions, and the overnight delay start entirely. Moving from fresh morning juice to weekend nut milk requires physical effort. You have to manually swap the internal strainers and attach your own nut milk bag to catch the output. The AMZCHEF belongs on your counter strictly if you view plant milk as a hands-on weekend project and fresh juicing as your true daily habit. To lock in your specific machine, we can map out these trade-offs to match your exact household reality. This decision tree branches from your primary goal at the top down into your specific household size. We have two main paths: automated and heated, or nutrient and juice. If you prioritize automation and have a small household, the Tear Upgraded Edition and the IAGREEA are the clear winners. If you demand that same automation but you are feeding a family, the Flanano 50-ounce is the only viable option. And if your primary goal is dual utility for fresh greens alongside your nut milk, the AMZCHEF juicer is your exact match. The ultimate value of a kitchen appliance is determined by how little friction it adds to your unique morning routine. Success with homemade plant milk depends on matching these hardware trade-offs to your own kitchen ecosystem.